Greetings everyone, I am Sunmathi, a volunteer of Shivi Forensics, standing here to present my topic on wound and its type. Now let's see what is wound. So wound, it is any injury that breaks the skin or other body tissues such as cut, scrap or puncture. Basically, wound is a type of injury or any type of injuries that is being caused to our body through any type of instrument. It could be accidental also, it could be intentional also. So wound is further classified into bruises, laceration, abrasion, avulation. So there are different parameters of wound, different parameters of injuries that are being caused to our body. Now let's go for types of wound. There are basically three types of wound, that are open wound, closed wound and complex wound. Now let's see about what is open wound. So basically, open wound means any wound that will be having a open surface which will be exposed to the environment. So basically, these include abrasions, lacerations, puncture wound, avulation. So basically, what is abrasion? Abrasion is a scraps on the skin surface. Basically, this is like if we are rubbed to any surface, that rubbing against any hard surface will be causing abrasion. Then laceration is a deep cut or tear of skin cells, that is laceration. Then puncture wound basically caused due to any pointed object like nails which will be piercing our skin. So it could be bleeding, it could not be bleeding, but it is very dangerous as the cut is very deep. Then avulation, it is a complete or partial tearing away of the skin and the underlying tissues as well. Now we will be seeing what are all the closed wounds. So basically, closed wounds are those type of wounds which will be having bulging out of the skin or a surface which is being wounded but it is not exposed to the body. So basically, we have bruising or contusions included in that, along with hematoma and close blunt injuries. So bruises or contusion, it is due to the blow or blunt force to the skin, like if any sudden blow comes to the skin, so there are certain discoloration happening to our skin. That is what we call bruising or contusions. Then hematoma, it is a localized collection of blood after blunt trauma. Like if anything happened to our body, the accumulation of blood to a particular localized surface, that will be causing bulging out of that surface. So that will be hematoma. Basically, it is a collection of blood in a particular surface which is not able to release itself. That is hematoma. Then close blunt injury, it is due to any fall or blunt injuries. It is like any type of injuries which is caused due to any external factor, but the injury impact is not external, it is internal injury. So we have certain types of internal injuries, so that are these. Lastly, we have complex wound. Complex wound basically talks about the extreme extent of the complexity that is being caused due to any type of injury, like collection of all types of wound, that will be in complex wound. Basically, it includes gunshot injuries, any type of trachation or crush injuries. So basically, these are those injuries which are like causing extreme harm to one's body surface, like breakage, bone fractures are there, deep organ injuries are there. If we talk about gunshot injuries. So piercing of bone will be happening sometimes. Crush injury like earthquake or any type of tsunami or natural disaster is there. War wounds are there. Then for avulsion injury, so basically the tissues are being ruptured very badly in such a way that multiple tissue damage is there, multiple planes the tissue will be damaged. So these are certain injuries which are very traumatizing for a human being. Thank you so much for your patience listening, and stay connected with us for more such informative videos.